because I equal fun.
Carmedia.
Here we are, Miraflores, Lima, Peru, and we are about to go paragliding, which means we're going to jump off a perfectly good cliff with a parachute, and hopefully the guy that's behind me is pulling the strings right to keep us safe as we soar high above the city of Lima. You will legitimately get a bird's eye view of this city. You're high above skyscrapers. It's a little intense at times. I've done it before. Just breathe, relax, you're in good hands. These people are certified professionals. You can't get a better experience than this. Head down to Parque del Amor and go right to the parapenting port and let's roll. Psh. Here we are, jumped off a perfectly good cliff, flying above the city. Jesus, man, my life is pretty much relying on the guy behind me. But you only live once, so you gotta do it. Parapente, Lima, Peru, vamos. Sorry for the severe close-up, but that's all you're getting on this video. Damn, we're probably like 1,000 feet above the ocean right now, like soaring above the buildings. Jesus. This is absolutely freaking mayhem. I recommend it to anybody. I'm not afraid of heights, so it doesn't matter. If you're afraid of heights, this is the best way to like confront your fear, I'd say, without doubt. We're about to land. So that is a wrap on paragliding in Lima, Peru. You can't get a more adrenaline-fueled experience than that, soaring thousands of feet above the city. Wow, and you're relying on one person pulling the strings from behind you? Step out of the ordinary, subscribe to Karpontour, and follow the Puru Guru because he's always got you. I shall see you soon. Ciao.